spudger, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, and anti-static mat. Begin by removing the 8 rear screws. Once all the screws are out, flip the unit over, open it up, and using the spudger, remove the keyboard by prying at the 4 corners. Remove the keyboard and disconnect the connections. Grab your tweezers and remove the power and data cable. Remove the tape with the tweezer. Pop the connection clip up, then pull the cable out. Repeat the same process for the other connection. Grab your replacement keyboard. Repeat the previous steps in reverse order to install the keyboard. First, reconnect the keyboard power cable. Now connect the data cable. Ensure the connection is snug. Using the tweezer, flip down the locking tab for the connection. Now place the keyboard in its original position and reinstall. Now, close the laptop, flip it over to the back, reinstall the 8 screws using your screwdriver. You have now completed a keyboard replacement.